Procrastination isn't just about being lazy, it's a silent thief that steals your dreams, one delayed task at a time. But what if I told you there's a simple way to beat it for good? Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into procrastination, what it is, why we do it, and most importantly, how to overcome it. Whether you're struggling with work, school, or even personal goals, this video is packed with proven tips that can help you break free from procrastination once and for all. If you've ever felt the guilt of putting things off or the stress of looming deadlines, know that you're not alone. Millions of people deal with this every day. But here's the good news, procrastination is a habit, and like any habit, it can be changed. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a full toolkit to take action, crush your goals, and reclaim your time. Let's start by understanding why we procrastinate. Most people think it's a sign of laziness, but that's far from the truth. Procrastination is often linked to deeper psychological reasons like fear of failure, perfectionism, or even decision fatigue. Here's how it works. When faced with a task that feels overwhelming or unpleasant, your brain tries to protect you by steering you toward something easier or more enjoyable. Instead of tackling that report or starting that project, you find yourself scrolling through TikTok or binge-watching Netflix. Sound familiar? That's because procrastination is rooted in how our brains are wired. We prioritize short-term comfort over long-term success. But don't worry, this is something we can reprogram. Understanding the why is the first step in taking control. So now that we know the cause, let's move on to the solutions. Before we dive into the strategies, let's talk about why overcoming procrastination is so important. Procrastination doesn't just delay your goals, it creates a ripple effect in every area of your life. For example, at work, procrastination can lead to missed deadlines, poor performance, and even career stagnation. In your personal life, it can prevent you from pursuing passions, building relationships, or even taking care of your health. And perhaps most importantly, procrastination robs you of your peace of mind. The more you delay, the more stress and guilt build up. The truth is, procrastination isn't harmless, it's a habit that holds you back from becoming the best version of yourself. But here's the good news, breaking free from it isn't as hard as you think. Let's move into the strategies that will help you overcome it. 1. The 2-minute rule. One of the simplest and most effective strategies is the 2-minute rule. Here's how it works. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. For larger tasks, commit to just 2 minutes of starting. This rule works because the hardest part of any task is simply beginning. Once you start, momentum often takes over, and you're more likely to keep going. 2. Break tasks into smaller steps. Big tasks can feel overwhelming, which leads to avoidance. Instead of thinking about the entire project, break it down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, instead of write a report, break it into, outline the main points. Write the introduction. Research one section at a time. By focusing on small, achievable steps, you'll feel less intimidated and more motivated. 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer for productivity. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on your task with full focus. Take a 5-minute break when the timer goes off. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer 15-30-minute break. This method helps you stay focused while giving your brain regular rest, making it easier to stay productive. 4. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are procrastination's best friend. To stay focused, create an environment that minimizes interruptions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb or leave it in another room. Use apps like Forest or Freedom to block distracting websites. Work in a quiet, clutter-free space where you can concentrate. 5. Set clear deadlines. Open-ended tasks often lead to procrastination. Instead of saying, "I'll do it later," set a specific deadline. For example, instead of "I'll write the report this week," say, "I'll finish the outline by Tuesday at 3 p.m. Clear deadlines create urgency and hold you accountable. 6. Reward yourself. Motivation thrives on rewards. After completing a task, treat yourself to something enjoyable, a snack, a short walk, or even an episode of your favorite show. The key is to associate productivity with positive outcomes, making it easier to stay motivated in the future. 7. Practice self-compassion. Sometimes, procrastination stems from being too hard on yourself. Remember, nobody's perfect. If you slip up, don't dwell on it. Instead, acknowledge it, learn from it, and move forward. Self-compassion builds resilience, which is essential for long-term success. 8. Plan your day the night before. Every evening, take 5 to 10 minutes to plan your next day. Write down your top 3 priorities and schedule specific times to work on them. This reduces decision fatigue and gives you a clear roadmap for the day ahead. 9. Use visualization techniques. Visualize how great it will feel to complete your task and the benefits it will bring. This mental exercise can boost your motivation and make the task feel more achievable. 10. Find an accountability partner. Share your goals with someone who can hold you accountable. Whether it's a friend, family member, or mentor, having someone check in on your progress can significantly reduce procrastination. Beating procrastination isn't just about tactics, it's about creating habits that make productivity your default mode. Here are some lifestyle changes that can help. Prioritize sleep. A well-rested brain is more focused and less prone to procrastination. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts energy and reduces stress, which helps you stay on track. Practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation can improve focus and reduce the urge to procrastinate. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Even small steps toward overcoming procrastination can lead to massive changes in your life. Procrastination doesn't have to control your life. By understanding why it happens and using the strategies we've discussed, you can break free from this habit and unlock your full potential. Remember, start small with the 2-minute rule. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique. Eliminate distractions, set clear deadlines, and reward yourself for progress. The key is to take action, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's conquer procrastination together. See you in the next video.